Okay, now we need a nose, we need ears. So a ball of flesh for the nose. We'll make it a little smaller. Okay, right about there. Ears are little teardrops. So there's a ball. Put your finger on half. Teardrop like that. Actually, it can be a little more round at the bottom. Okay, so stop right about there. And then you can just kind of pinch it like this. Put a little water on the side. Come right up to the side here and pop that on. Okay, use a veining tool here. And you can just make a little curve inside. One on the other side. Oh, this one's a little harder to get in there, isn't it? Looking like a little alien. And then we're going to go to the black. So he needs eyes, he needs a mustache, a little bit of a beard. Let's start with the beard. Actually, we're not going to do the beard. Let's just do the eyes. I'll tell you why in a sec. Okay, so ball, and then we're going to do little teardrops that are pointed on each end. That looks a little big. Okay, take it right about here. Okay, and then we're actually going to do the hat before we do the mustache. Because the hat band that goes underneath here actually goes behind like the mustache and the beard part. So this is just like a tan colored fondant. It's just the chocolate fondant mixed with some white fondant. And we're just going to make a little hat, like one of those little cone hats. I'm sure they have a name. So ball, teardrop. We want it more pointed at the top and then come around like this. You can even put it down. Once I get it down like that, then I need to be able to pick it up. And I need to put my my fingers in there to hollow a little out so it'll go over his head a little bit better. Go around with my thumb here a bit. There we go. And then we'll take a band. So I'll do a small cord. We'll let it hang down a little. And then underneath. Okay, now he looks like just a young boy. So we're going to take and make a little beard. So teardrop again. A little goatee actually. It's going to go right down there, and that's a little big. Like this. I'll just pop it down and make some little lines in it. Go. Then he needs a nice long mustache.